Welcome back. Now, in order to test whether or not your website is working properly while you're waiting for the propagation to happen, you can take a look at your Cloudberry server, and if you were to go and you were to right-click the domain and get the web URL, and then you were to copy the link to the clipboard and then go to the domain, you'd find that the link is going to give you an error message and it's going to say access denied. You might think that this would mean that you may have made an error, and actually you have not. The web address that you'll need to put in to test your domain will actually be the endpoint. And you'd actually need to go back inside of your Route 53. You'd need to go back inside of the properties of your domain. You'd need to go to the static website hosting, and you'd need to get this endpoint and copy it, and that's the domain that you would place inside of your web browser to test whether or not your files are working correctly. And if we were to place that web address inside of this area, you'll find that your files will render correctly. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.